How to add close friends on your Instagram account. Today guys, I will show you how to add close friends on your Instagram account. Just watch the video until the end. You go first and you open your profile. You click down, then you go to this three line and click, then you go to settings and click again, then guys go to account, you click, then you go to close friends. As you say, I don't have any close friends, so now I will choose some close friends, for example these three people. Then when I finish I click down, and then as you see now, when I go to close friend, I will find the three people that I I made them as a close friend. And that's it guys, I hope this video is useful for you. Don't forget to like and subscribe in our channel, and see you next video.